Today's Leetcode question is easy, and it is 3487 maximum unique subarray sum after deletion. So you have given an array as nums, and you are allowed to delete any number of elements from nums without making it empty. Okay, so you have to consider that without making empty means one element should be remaining there, and after performing the deletion, select a subarray of nums such that all elements are unique and sum will be maximized. So maximizing the sum, you have to remove the negative ones, and after removing all the duplicates, you will be left with unique element, and subarray is the consecutive elements in an array. So after removing all the duplicates, every unique elements will be consecutive, so it is automatically a subarray. So you don't have to think much, just initialize n with a nums dot size, and just what you have to do, you can use a set in that the all every unique element will be stored here. So you have to just do this, and it will just store all the unique elements of nums into the set S, and you have to traverse the whole set and just consider if it is greater than equals to 0, then just add to the sum. Let me consider sum will be 0 initialized, and it is positive, then add it to it, and we have to return the sum. But we have to consider another thing as well, that without making it empty means we can't remove everything if there is nothing as a positive. So we have to consider the negative one, and if it is 0 only, like if it is 0 only, then we have to consider 0 only. So for that, what we can do is just we can check that if it is if no positive integer will be there, then sum automatically will be 0. Okay, so that is the one point, because we are considering only the positive one, but we can't check that we have 0 or not. So for 0 we can consider another boolean, that flag, and it will be false at first, and if I is 0, then flag will be true, means 0 is available there. And if 0 is there, and another thing I have to tell you is that if we have all elements in the array is negative, then we have to consider the maximum one, the maximum negative one. So we have to do here one thing as well, that we have to initialize a maxi variable that will be giving you the maximum negative number if there is no, like, let me do that. That will give you the maximum negative number, and that is your I. It will give you the maximum negative number, and if there is 0, then we'll consider 0, will not consider the maximum negative number. Okay, and that will be done like here only. If I do this, and this and this, then it will automatically give you, like, when we'll consider the maximum negative element here and the 0 as well. If it is 0 available, then 0 will be maxi, and if it is not, then the negative one will be maxi. So that is it. And if we are left with sum equals to 0, that means we don't have any positive number, then we have to return maxi. And if it is a sum as a positive greater than 0, that means we have sum. So we have to return the sum, and that will be our answer. Let me submit it. Yeah, that is how you solve this question, today's question. So thank you for watching this video.